This is a 2008 Chrysler Aspen. It has a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, a clean non-smoker interior. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, an 8-speaker audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a security system, front fog lights, roof rails, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 42,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Champion Ford Katy is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your new vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 20777 Interstate 10 West in Katy.